Out of the union between the sons of God, the fallen angels, and the daughters of men came a hybrid species of so-called humans. The seed of the fallen dwell among us until this day. The seed of the fallen is in power. The indigenous people continue to give the serpent seed permission to rule over them. When the indigenous people refuse to take their place, that is granting the kingdom of darkness permission to take over. When the leaders of our community sell out their people for money, that is granting the kingdom of darkness permission. When the indigenous man refused to take his place, that is handing the earth into the hands of the wicked. If the indigenous man do not take his place, do not be surprised of the chaos happening all over the world. The world will remain out of order until the indigenous people obey the Most High. You should never appoint a heathen or the seed of the fallen over you to lead. The Most High is your king.